Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Today just something a bit different. I didn't do a tutorial on this airbrush painting, or well, I did film it but I haven't put it up yet. And I've been looking at it hanging in my lounge. There's something that's bothering me, and the Facebook pictures that I did post on this painting had some editing. That editing involved just desaturating the whole image, because this blue shift in the hair on the original painting was just irritating the absolute bejeebers out of me. So I thought, I wonder how I can fix this. And of course, when we paint with white, we usually add some orange into it. However, when I did this hair, I didn't use paint, I used a pencil of sorts, so I couldn't actually mix orange into that. But after a few days I thought, I wonder if I can just dust some orange over the white as is. So I did a little test panel, and lo and behold, because the orange is translucent, the black stays black and the blue gets eliminated to some degree. So here I'm just flashing between repaired and not repaired, and you can see that the difference is pretty obvious. It's not so obvious when you're busy doing it, but when you look at the end result, then that I can now live with. So what I'm doing here is I just diluted very much some orange acrylic paint, and I'm just dusting it on very lightly. And after every coat, I just sort of step away to have a look. Are we going too far? Is it not enough? And when I'm happy with it, I think I'll stop, because the painting is inherently somewhat, has got sort of an orange kind of a hue to it anyway. The greys do have white in it, so that might have contributed to the slight orangey sepia look. But anyway, it is something I tried. What's the worst that can happen is I have to re-primer the hair and do it all from scratch. But lo and behold, it seemed to work. I just thought I'd share this in case you have something similar that you want to repair or look at and see if you can fix that blue shift. Thanks very much for joining, and please like and subscribe. We will see you later.